Hi, this is the first part of the series on music generation in Python. Let me show you now what music you will be able to generate in just the first two videos. And this is just the very beginning, there are no limits, no boundaries. You can also convert MIDI files using special applications like Ableton to make it more human and entertaining. To not miss my new videos, make sure you're subscribed to my channel. Without further ado, let's dive into today's lesson. I'll be using the Music21 library throughout all the videos in this series. You can install it simply by using the command pip install music21. First, we need to create a stream object. Essentially, it is our output which will contain all the notes. Now let's create a single note using the notes notation. It's straightforward. Each note has its letter, and you can play the same note with different frequencies. The frequency is specified by the octave in music theory, and the quarter length represents the duration. Next, I want to add this note to our stream and save the stream as a MIDI file. To do this, you simply need to call the write method. Specify the file path using fp, and now we can listen to the sound of this note. Not really impressive, I know. So let's enhance it by adding a chord to our stream. A chord is a set of different notes played simultaneously. Here, C doesn't represent a single note, but a set of three notes, C, E, and G. You can find chord names online, or you can pass an array of notes to create a chord with them. To insert this chord at the beginning, set the offset to 1. Now let's listen to this. You can start creating a melody by adding various notes and chords to the stream. If you are familiar with music theory, give it a try. If not, you can check it online or wait for my next video. See you there.